Yes.
Madame Plante, you spoke about the SPVM being using discretion with those who are homeless. But what about just regular people? They've been a little bit overzealous lately. Some essential workers getting stopped at a bus stop, getting tickets. Do you think police might be a little bit too harsh?
Well, so far, I mean, like I said, the curfew, of course, was something that the government of Quebec decided, and it applies to all Quebecers, wherever they are. So what we have been talking about with the SPVM is, again, to use their judgment. Of course, they need to look at, they need to ask questions, but if you have your proof on you, it's usually what I've heard so far is that things are fine. And like I said, we also want to make sure that the SPVM understand the complexity for some people. Of course, I'm talking about the most vulnerable of dealing with those curfews. But I would say that from what we're getting is that things are there seems to be a balance between both.
What kind of meetings have you had with the police, though, to discuss this complexity?
Right. Well, of course, it's through our executive director, the City of Montreal, which is the main speaker to the director of the SPVM. But it's not something that just started those conversations about empathy and compassion and using their judgment since the beginning of COVID. This is what we've been doing a lot. Whatever was homeless people in the metro, or when there was when we were looking for, it was not as clear around wearing the mask or not. So we're really trying to build a collaboration, and it's working well so far. And there's also the SPVM works with different groups that they've made connection to support their strategy that is not so much coercive, but more talking through and raising awareness.